Welcome to the modern office, where comfort and functionality are key. But have you ever wondered about the safety and stability of your office chair? Today, we're going to discuss the topic of locking swivel chairs. Cut to a close-up of a swivel chair. A swivel chair, as the name suggests, is a chair that can rotate 360 degrees on its base. This feature allows for easy movement and improved mobility while working. But with movement comes the potential for instability, and that's where the topic of locking swivel chairs comes into play. Demonstration of someone trying to tip over an unlocked swivel chair. As you can see, an unlocked swivel chair can be easily tipped over. This can be a safety hazard, especially for children and elderly individuals who may not have the balance and strength to catch themselves. A demonstration of a locked swivel chair being tipped over. However, when a swivel chair is locked, it becomes much more stable and difficult to tip over. This feature can provide added peace of mind and safety in the workplace. Close-up of a swivel chair's base. Most swivel chairs come equipped with a locking mechanism located on the base of the chair. This can typically be a lever or button that, when engaged, locks the chair in place and prevents it from swiveling. Adjusting and locking your swivel chair is a simple process that can be done in just a few seconds. Simply find the locking mechanism on the base of your chair, and engage it to lock the chair in place. To unlock, simply disengage the mechanism. Office space with people working at their desks. By taking the time to adjust and lock your swivel chair, you can ensure a safe and stable work environment for yourself and those around you. So, next time you're sitting in your swivel chair, remember to take a moment to check that it's locked and stable. Office space with the message: always remember to lock your swivel chair for safety.